In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay on Freshbooks. Freshbooks is an incredibly user-friendly software, tailored specifically for small businesses and freelancers who want to manage their books with ease. Whether it's generating invoices, recording payments, or managing expenses, Freshbooks makes it simple. And one core aspect we'll focus on today is how to process payments on this platform. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to navigate to the Freshbooks website. This is your gateway to accessing all the features that Freshbooks has to offer, including the payment functionalities. Simply enter the Freshbooks URL into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the Freshbooks homepage loads, your next step is to log into your account. To do this, look for the login button typically located in the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking on it will prompt you to enter your login credentials. However, if you prefer a more streamlined process, Freshbooks offers a sign in with Google option. This is particularly handy if you want to avoid remembering multiple passwords or if you already have a Google account set up. By clicking on sign in with Google, you'll be directed to a Google login page. Here you'll select the Google account you want to use for Freshbooks. Ensure you choose the account that you either have previously linked to your Freshbooks account or the one you intend to link. Once selected, simply proceed with the login process by following Google's authentication steps. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to your Freshbooks dashboard. From here, managing your finances becomes a breeze. But our focus today is on paying an invoice, so let's dive straight into that process. Navigate to the Invoices section of your dashboard. You can typically find this by looking for the Invoices tab, often located in a menu on the dashboard. This section is where all your billing related activities are stored and managed. Within the Invoices section, locate the invoice you wish to pay. Freshbooks keeps this process intuitive by displaying your invoices in an organized manner. You can hover over an invoice to reveal more options, including the crucial Add a Payment button. Click on this button and you'll be thrust into the payment details page. Now it's time to fill in your payment details. Depending on your preferences or arrangements with the client or service provider, you might use different payment methods. Ensure all the details you input are accurate to avoid any payment hiccups. Once everything is set, you'll find yourself at the last step of the payment process. The final action to complete your invoice payment in Freshbooks is clicking on the Save button. This button is usually prominently displayed, ensuring you won't miss it. Clicking Save confirms your payment details and processes the payment against the invoice. And there you have it, the payment is made. As simple as the process sounds, it's always good to keep a few tips in mind. Always ensure your internet connection is stable before starting the payment process to avoid any interruptions. Double check the invoice and payment details before hitting save. It's much easier to correct a mistake before the payment is processed than after. Lastly, leverage Freshbooks support resources if you ever find yourself stuck. Their customer support is fantastic and they're always ready to assist with any queries or issues. Paying an invoice on Freshbooks is a straightforward process designed to save you time so you can focus on what truly matters in your business. From logging in to saving your payment, every step is designed with user experience in mind. And that's it for our tutorial on how to pay an invoice on Freshbooks. We hope this guide has been helpful and has made your invoicing process a bit simpler. Remember, managing your business finances doesn't have to be a daunting task. Tools like Freshbooks are here to help streamline every aspect. Thank you for watching and be sure to check back for more useful tips and guides.